Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So my name is Bree. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put the link in the bio below. But you probably know me from Instagram. So pretty much I've just started up a YouTube channel about fitness and health, and I want to add a bit of personal growth in as well. So pretty much in this video I'll be showing you a hammy and glute workout as well. So stay tuned for that, that'll be later on. But at the moment I just wanted to talk a bit about my background and what made me choose fitness. And yeah, so we're going. So pretty much backstory, I've always suffered with anxiety and depression ever since I was like 12 maybe, about 12. And pretty much I just couldn't cope with it and didn't really have any coping mechanisms that really worked for me. I did go to counselling and whatnot, all that stuff that you'd usually go on. I went on meds as well. And then as soon as I left school I really wanted an alternative to medication. I just wanted to be happy pretty much, but do it on my own. So I started going to gym and training, and I found that I really liked it and that it really helped with how I felt about myself as well. So yeah, that's why I kind of started. So yeah, so I pretty much got into it and I became really serious with it. I started getting into lifting heavy because I was really into like cardio and light weights at first, and then I started really getting into it and researching the hell out of anything, how to like gain weight, how to like different exercises, and I followed heaps of YouTubers, and it just made me even more motivated to get into it. So I did have an eating disorder throughout high school, which I think was a control thing for me because I needed some control over how I felt and my emotions, so that's kind of what helped me keep all that under control. And then as soon as I found a different outlet, which was controlling what I ate and controlling, my body and everything, but health in a healthy way, yeah, I just went from there, and everything just, yeah, got so much better for me. I've written some stuff down here just in case I forget. So obviously it's my first video, so it's probably going to be really awkward because I'm really shy. So I want to try to relate to everyone who's gone through something similar to me, which is what pretty much my Instagram is about. I really want to connect with you guys and yeah, just help. I don't know, I just want to help people. So if you have any questions about anything you want to see or anything you want me to talk about, just let me know, because obviously it's a lot harder when I don't really know what to tell you, because I don't know what you want to know. But I'll just, yeah, see how I go. So I think a lot of people don't talk about mental health because it is there's such a stigma attached to it. Like anyone can be not okay, like no one can be, like anyone can be sad and depressed really, so we all kind of feel like it's not important, and other people have it worse, but it's important because we all go through our own different things regardless of if someone's going through something worse. And I actually just see something on social media, this little post saying that it's like a competition now, which kind of does suck, and I feel like that's why people who are struggling don't really talk about it much. It's something that you have to go through on your own, but it really isn't. It's really something you should be open about and ask for help. Like, you're not going to get any better if you're not going to have someone who's understands what's going on. And trust me, you think that they won't understand, but they will, because I can guarantee you that they'll care enough to want to understand. So yeah, so in my YouTube channel I really want to talk about like personal growth. Like, I know a lot of, like, everyone struggles with accepting yourself, who you are, and being happy with yourself, like really truly happy with yourself, like who you are as a person. Like, I even still struggle with that. Like, who doesn't? We all have that side of us that doubt. Like, we all have doubts about ourselves, and I think that's something that we need to address and make public, really, so we can all help each other be better and you know, fight it. And not make life about mental illness, I guess. Make it about overcoming it. That's what I want out of this YouTube channel. I just want to be open about it. It's something that we should be open about because it's not unnormal. It's so many people go through it. We've all got things going on and we shouldn't be afraid to open up about it and talk about it with anyone really, even me, stranger. So yeah. So this is my outfit. I went to gym. Just like Ryderwear. Let's go. We usually come here on the weekends, stay with Casey's parents, bring the dog, because she loves the beach. It's so cute. We got like a little setup. Oh, it's so hot. Like the weather's been so shit all week. And it's real nice now. So we're down at White Fox Boutique. Go down and have a look at the pub. What they're doing? There you go. She's a bit special. Come on.